Now students, in this video, I'm going to discuss question answers for Unit 2, Introduction to Java. Now first question, who developed Java? What was it initially called? James Gosling led the team that developed Java at Sun Microsystems USA. Java was initially called Oak Tree. Now students, how this oak tree name was given, actually outside the office of the Sun Microsystem there was an oak tree, so they just picked up the name oak for Java. Question number 2, give a brief historical development of Java. Brief historical development of Java as follows. In 1991, Java was developed by the team led by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems USA, which is now acquired by Oracle Corporation. First, it was named as Oak. Later, it was renamed as Java. Team that developed it, means Java, was known as Green Team. Now question number 3, mention at least 4 features of Java. Now the answer, 4 features of Java are as follows. First is object oriented, second is platform independent, third is portable, fourth is secure. And you will write the details of these features also, which I am going to discuss just now. First feature now, object oriented. So you will write Java programming follows object-oriented programming concepts. And what are these concepts? I think everybody is aware of that. That is encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. That is the reason Java is called object-oriented. And Java has got 2 most important things. One is class and the other is objects. And don't forget students, objects are created from a class. So class is a concept or an idea and its implementation is the object. Now platform independent. When we talk about platform independency feature of Java, you have to understand what is the meaning of this word platform here. So 2 platforms actually it refers. One is hardware platform and the second is software platform. When they talk about software platform, that means it is operating system. That means Java can be executed or Java program can be executed on any operating system. If you have written Java program on the Windows, you want to execute the program on the Linux, it's fine. So that is there, that is what we call it software platform. Now hardware platform means processor. Alright, so Java program can be executed using any processor. Now Java is architecture neutral. First line. Second, its program can be executed on any processor or any operating system. Bytecode and Java Virtual Machine or JVM play key role in making Java platform independent. Now the second feature, students, one is portable. In this feature, Java programming follows WORA, write once, run anywhere concept. It means program written on one system can be well executed on any other system. This is possible because Java is platform independent. So that portability is there. I think everybody has understood it well, and please do remember WORA, that means write once, run anywhere. Next feature is secure. There is no illegal memory access in Java as they are possible in C or C++. So illegal memory access is not there. That is why it is safe to execute a Java program on a system. After this secure, all the 4 features are over now. Thanks for watching this. Please do subscribe my channel for more videos.